In this video, pag-usapan naman natin kung sino yung mga players to watch ng Chinese Taipei sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Ako po si Ruben Terrado. I write sports for spin.ph and welcome to our YouTube channel. And ito nga, no, himayin natin ng konti, no, sino ba yung mga players to watch ng Chinese Taipei dahil nga makakaharap ito ng Gilas Pilipinas. Siguro most of them napanood nyo na during the qualifiers. Meron ditong dalawa na perhaps baka hindi nyo pa napanood or maybe kung napanood nyo na ay nakita nyo during the recent Jones Cup, no. So ito, unahin na natin, no, si Brandon Gilbeck at siya yung naturalized player ng Chinese Taipei, 28 years old, 7-footer at nag-college siya sa Western Illinois. So sentro siya, of course, for Chinese Taipei. And ito yung isa sa mga aabangan natin dahil of course ito definitely yung babantay kila Junmar Fajardo and kila AJ Edu. And ganun din ang mangyayari, no? Si Junmar and AJ Edu will be defending this guy. So alamin natin kung paano nila babantayan itong si Gilbeck. Can they hold this or can they hold their own, no, against Brandon Gilbeck, no? He has been their naturalized player since 2024 pa, no? And naglalaro na nga ito sa kanilang local league. Kung hindi tayo nagkakamali, naglalaro siya for the Formosa Dreamers in one of their leagues there sa Chinese Taipei. Dahil nga dalawa yung liga actually nila, no? Dalawa yung kanilang professional league. And si Gilbeck plays for one of those teams, no, dun sa kanilang local league. And during the qualifiers, he averaged 11.2 points, 11.8 rebounds, and 3.3 blocks, no, in 6 games during the qualifiers. So yun yung i-take note natin, no, yung kanyang presence sa ilalim, double numbers, and then yung blocks niya, no, 3.3 blocks. So rim protector para sa Chinese Taipei. And during their win against Gilas, no, in the February window, hindi man siya nakakuha ng double but still nagkaroon siya ng impact, no. 8 points, 8 rebounds, and yung blocks, no, 5 blocks in that game against Gilas Pilipinas na kung saan nga nagwagi yung Chinese Taipei at home. So another player to watch for Chinese Taipei, no, itong si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gaddiaga. So ito, interesting yung kanyang kwento, no. Initially, he was a naturalized player, but sometime I believe in 2021, no, or dun siya naging naturalized player ng Chinese Taipei. So again, 27 years old, 6'2 guard, and I believe yung tatay niya, no, has a Senegalese descent, no. But ito nga, no, local player since 2023 pala, no. So nabanggit natin 2021, but he has been their local player in 2023 dahil nga nung siya ay 8 years old ay doon nakatira itong si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gadjaga, and he received his Taiwanese citizenship in 2020. And ayun, during the qualifiers, he averaged 16.5 points, 3.2 rebounds, and 1.2 assists. So, based from his stats, ay talagang yung scoring, yung pwede nating i-expect dito kay Gadjaga. And yun na nga, no, during the February window, he had 21 points on 6 of 15 shooting from the field, 4 of 11 from threes. Hindi man maganda yung percentage, pero mapansin natin, no, makikita natin sa numero na he has the license to shoot. So he also had 4 rebounds in their win against Gilas, no, in Taipei. So yan, isa rin sa abangan natin, jersey number 1, si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gadjaga. And then ito naman, kung hindi nyo masyadong na-observe yung Chinese Taipei over the last few years, ay ito rin, no, we will watch out for Adam Hinton as well, no. Actually, dalawa sila, no? Dalawang Hinton, magkapatid sila. Pag-usapan muna natin itong si Adam Hinton na 22 years old, 6'2" guard from Cornell. And he has played for the Chinese Taipei team in the Jones Cup. By the way, itong Cornell is an NCAA Division 1 school. And during the Jones Cup, ito lang, nung nakaraan, no? 13.5 points ang average niya, 5.5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1.9 steals in 36% shooting from threes dito sa katatapos lang na Jones Cup. So based from the numbers, we can expect his scoring and even his 3-point shot, at may depensa rin itong si Adam Hinton based from these numbers during the Jones Cup. At ito nga yung Hinton brothers, actually magkapatid sila. Na-mention ito ni Coach Tim ko, no, prior to leaving for Jeddah, na they are watching out for the Hinton brothers dahil nga una, hindi sila naglaro during their qualifiers. So panibagong scouting na naman ito for Gilas, no, itong Hinton brothers, who again played for the Chinese Taipei team during the Jones Cup. So ito yung mas nakakatandang Hinton, no, si Adam Hinton, 22 years old. But well, kung ito, if this is a good sign for Gilas, na 5 points, 1 of 8 shooting lang siya against strong group, no, in the 44th Jones Cup, no. So kung meron mang good sign for Gilas ay ito na yun, no, dahil itong si Adam Hinton struggled in their game against the strong group athletics in the 44th Jones Cup na alam naman natin is representing the Philippines. So kung baka may makuhang inputs ang Gilas doon sa game na yon on how to defend Adam Hinton. But again, based from the numbers, he can score and he can almost do it all, no? He can rebound and pwede rin siyang maging court general, no, with this 2.0 assist average during the Jones Cup. Ito naman yung kapatid niya, no, si Robert Hinton, na kung jersey number 8 si Adam, si Robert naman is jersey number 4. Ito mas bata ito, no, 19 years old, 6'5" guard, mas matangkad din, from Harvard, no, an NCAA Division 1 school as well. At alam naman natin yung Harvard, batikang school yan. It's an Ivy League school, and during the NCAA competitions, nakatatapos lang, he was the Rookie of the Year ng Ivy League, no, isa sa mga conferences sa NCAA. So again, he played for Chinese Taipei in the Jones Cup, averaged 13.3 points, 3.6 rebounds, and 46% from the field in the Jones Cup. So again, scoring din yung ating pwedeng asahan dito kay Robert Hinton. And again, curiously, he struggled again against a Philippine team during the Jones Cup. Yung nakalaban nila, yung Strong Group Athletics, na nag-champion nga rin dito sa 44th Jones Cup. 7 points, 2 of 8 from the field dun sa kanilang laro against the Strong Group Athletics. So again, kung merong pwedeng panoorin ang Gilas sa laro nitong dalawang Hintons, ay pwede nilang panoorin yung laro nila ng Chinese Taipei against Strong Group Athletics, and baka may makita sila doon, no, na on how to defend itong Hinton brothers, no. And then sa locals naman, itong ang abangan natin, no, jersey number 0, si Ting Chen Lin, 24 years old, 6'5" guard. And he plays in China, no, one of the premier leagues in Asia. Naglalaro siya for the Tianjin Pioneers in the China League. And during the game against Gilas, during the February window, 21 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. So all around, itong si Ting Chen Lin. At kasama nga rin siya dun sa Final 12 ng Chinese Taipei sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Baabangan din yan ng mga, ng mga manonood ng Gilas, no, itong laro ni Ting Xianlin. And if he scores like this again in their game in the FIBA Asia Cup, medyo delikado itong Gilas Pilipinas. So definitely isa rin to sa mga babantayan ng ating mga players ng Gilas Pilipinas, si Ting Xianlin. At ito na nga, no, yung final roster, no, na nilabas ng FIBA website as well as their Instagram account. Hindi nga lang natin maintindihan, but again, based from the website ng FIBA, ang kanilang final 12 si Cheng Yin Chun, Lin Ting Xian, Gao Jinwei, naabangan din natin, no, kasi naglaro ito dun sa parehong game ng Gilas during the February 2025 window and yung February 2024 window na ginanap sa PhilSports Arena. Point guard nila ito. I believe he led their league in assist, no? Itong si Gao Jinwei. So yan, aabangan din natin yung si Gao Jinwei. And again, si Muhammad Al-Bashir Gadjaga, Robert Tinton, si Liu Cheng, na naglaro rin in both of the games of Chinese Taipei against Gilas during the qualifiers. Adam Hinton, Ma Xianhao, Hu Long Mao, Cheng Xianchun, Brandon Gilbeck, and Chen Quan Chuan. So may kulang actually, no, dito sa Chinese Taipei roster. At ito si Lu Chun Xiang, isa rin sa mga kilalang players ng Chinese Taipei. At balita natin kasi ay nagkaroon siya ng injury during the BCL Asia. Kung natatandaan nyo itong si Lu Chun Xiang, siya po yung nag-score ng Dagger 3, no? Yung talagang nagpa-selyo ng panalo sa Chinese Taipei against Gilas during the February 2025 window. 18 points ang ginawa ni Lu Chun Xiang para sa Chinese Taipei in their victory at home. And MVP nga siya, no, during the recently concluded season ng P+1 League, no? Isa sa mga liga ng Chinese Taipei. Dalawa po kasi yan. Yung TBPL TPBL, no? Yung isa sa mga liga nila, and then yung P+ League ng yung dalawang liga ng Chinese Taipei. So MVP itong si Lu Chun Xiang para sa Taoyuan Pilots, at naglaro nga siya sa Basketball Champions League Asia, na kung saan naglaro din yung Meralco Bolts doon, no? Unfortunately, nabalitaan nga natin na he sustained an injury during the BCL Asia campaign, at mukhang dahil nga sa injury na yon ay hindi makakalaro si Lu Chun Xiang para sa Chinese Taipei dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. So again, itong Chinese Taipei kakalabanin ang Gilas Pilipinas. That's their first game, and it will happen on Tuesday, August 5, 9 p.m. Jeddah time, and Wednesday, August 6, 2 a.m. Philippine time. So as of this recording, we are recording this on a Tuesday morning, at mamaya na nga po yung laro ng Chinese Taipei against Gilas Pilipinas. So depende kung saan kayo naroroon. Kung nasa Jeddah kayo, it's going to be at 9 p.m. Yun po yung parang prime time game, no? Last game of a quadruple header for today. And para naman sa ating mga viewers in the Philippines, medyo puwet-puwet muna tayo. Wednesday, August 6, 2 a.m. Philippine time, yung laro ng Gilas Pilipinas against Chinese Taipei. So yan na po yung ating video, no? Hopefully makatulong ito sa inyong panonood later, no? Against Chinese Taipei, yung laro nga ng Chinese Taipei against Gilas Pilipinas. Hopefully nga ay nabigyan natin kayo ng konting information about their players. And meron din tayong video about New Zealand naman, no? Lalagay din natin sa description yung video na yon, no? Para rin ma-inform kayo kung sino yung mga abangan na players para naman sa side ng New Zealand. So yun na po yung ating video. Thank you for watching us, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. And for more on the FIBA Asia Cup, Gilas, and even PBA, and even other sports, no? Susubukan din nating i-post yan sa ating YouTube channel. Again, ako po ulit si Ruben Terrado. Please read as well yung ating mga stories sa spin.ph. Thank you for watching us, and we will see you next time.